Hey guys, hope everyone is okay. Welcome back to a different video from Gadgets Africa, and this is Anthony Onamu bringing you your first look at the Realme 6. And first of all, this box looks really nice. I love that yellow, it just stands out. Next we have the specs on the back, and we can see that 90 Hz display that everyone seems to be talking about, 64 megapixels of camera, and a 30-watt flash charger in the box. Sorry guys, I can't stop looking at this box. I think it looks really nice. Thank you, Realme. Next up, we'll just go straight into the box, and judging by the way this phone was set out, it's pretty premium and it does pretty much the unboxing for itself. Gravity is a great friend. When you open the box, first of all, you'll get this greeting card from Realme that says, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family," and I think that's cute. Thank you so much. Next up, when you open that tiny box, you'll get that SIM ejector tool. Nothing too crazy about this. Then you'll get a silicone case, not too shabby, not too bad. Then of course you'll get some information papers in the box as well. Next up, we'll move straight into the box, and before we look at the phone, let's see what else is in the box. As you can see here, we've got that 30-watt VOOC fast charger, and it's huge. Looks like my laptop charger, but I mean, it's powerful, so it's a sacrifice. Next up, we have that cable, which comes with something I really like, those accents. You can see the yellow inside the cable, and I think those little details make me super duper happy, because I initially loved the yellow and then it comes back in the cable. Amazing. It looks like it's also in the charger as well. Good job, Realme. Thank you for that. Next up, I think now we can look at the phone, and this is going to be your first look at the Realme 6. Let's just take off this wrapper real quick, and first impressions, that screen looks good. Doesn't look like it has too much bezels, and look at that glow. That's a different kind of glow. Let's take off this sticker real quick, and wow, I like those curvy lines, that blue, black, purple sort of color, depending on how the light hits it. Let me just turn it around for you so that you can see, and wow, I love it. Ooh, you can see the accent as well on the camera. Thank you. I wish the accents were on the volume rockers as well, but I won't need pick too much. Here we have the power button on the right, which should act as a fingerprint sensor as well. We've got the volume rockers on the left, and then we've got the headphone jack, a Type-C charger, and it looks like a 1-speaker setup from this phone. Pretty good, nothing at the top, and I think now it's about time that we boot it up. And when you boot it up, of course, you're greeted with that powered by Android logo, so that you know it's powered by Android. They say it has the Android 10, and that's pretty good. We're waiting on the Android 11 either way, so yeah. Then you got that Realme yellow again, and I just love it. Thank you so much for that. When the phone loads up and when you've set up everything, your passwords, this is what you'll see. It comes preset with a lot of apps. None of these I downloaded. Most phones do this nowadays, and they're probably just protecting their brand and keeping more apps in the phone, but I really don't have a problem with it. I'll probably just uninstall most of them. If we go right into the settings, here's where you'll see the storage. It comes with 8 GB, 128 GB, comes with the Android 10, which we love to see. So, are you gonna get this phone? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.